Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, be sure to turn off the water to your dishwasher. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door spring and the cable kit in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do that. For this job, we're going to need a 5/8 of an inch open end wrench, 5/16 inch nut driver, Phillips screwdriver, pair of needlenose pliers, and a hammer. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new pair of door springs, a pair of door cables, instructions, and a sticker. The door spring and cable kit is used for counterbalancing the weight of the door, preventing it from falling down. The main reason for the door spring and the cable kit to be replaced is if the cables break, causing the door to fall down. We're going to open the dishwasher door. So we're going to take out the two screws that holds the dishwasher to the counter. That's a Phillips, and I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver. Put the towel in the plastic container under the shutter valve, just in case of the water will leak down. And then using the 5/8 open-ended wrench, take off the water line. Then, using the 5/16 inch nut driver, loosen up the hose clamp and remove the drain hose from the air gap. Be careful, there is still some water inside the hose. Use a container or the towel. Now I'm going to pull out the dishwasher from under the counter and start going from side to side slowly. Don't break the door off the hinges. And at this point, I'm going to grab the dishwasher on the top and pull it out. Just open the door a little bit, so it will give us a little space here, and then we can grab that cable with the nose pliers, close the door, and remove the cable of the hinge. And the cable guide. Okay, there's a tab in the back is holding the spring in place. I'm going to pull out the spring and turn it so it will turn around and it will free that tab at the back. This is the old door spring and cable kit next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Before installing the spring into the dishwasher, we need to connect that door cable onto the spring. So we're going to insert this into the cutout and turn it, and it locks. The new spring is differently mounting into the dishwasher. It has this plate, and we're going to insert it into the slot here, press it in. So we are going to put the cable through the cable guide. At this point, we're going to grab the cable with the needlenose pliers, pull on it, and then we're going to place that hook on the door hinge. Using a hammer, I'm going to knock this bracket in just a few times so it wouldn't stick out. So we're going to repeat the procedure. Open the door. I'm going to place needlenose pliers in, pull that cable off the hinge and off the cable guide. Now we're going to go down and remove the spring. I'm going to turn it a couple of times and it comes off. So I'm going to slide the new spring in. There's the two slots. Goes right in. See, it's sticking out a little bit, and we're gonna hammer it in slightly, and then pull the cable through the cable guide. And at this point, we're gonna use the needlenose pliers. Grab it, stretch the spring, and place the hook on the hinge. Again, we're going to open the door and see if it works. After we're done with replacements of the springs, place this sticker on the side of the door. Wipe the door clean first, and then attach the sticker. This is necessary for the future application, just in case if you need to replace the springs again, you know what color to order. Now we need to reinstall the dishwasher, but before doing that, make sure that the drain holes, the water supply line, and the power cable are properly inserted in the divider. Then we can slowly push it back in. If you need to, you can pull the hoses and the cable out of the counter, out of the sink, before you finally install it. All right, now we're going to open the door and attach the dishwasher to the cabinet. I use the Phillips screwdriver, and we can close the door. Let's manually thread on the water line onto the shadow valve, then tighten using 5/8 open-ended wrench, and then we can take out the towel and the container. Connect the drain hose to the air gap and tighten the clamp with the 5/16" nut driver. Turn the water on, plug the dishwasher in, and run it to check for leaks. Hopefully there is none. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.